So another rant for the unreliability of the Fitbit Sense. We got those watch for our warranty replacement for the Fitbit Ionic recall, and we spent a lot of money buying those at $175 each. And look at this, the touch screen just failed. It basically just had a mind of its own. We can't really control it. My wife charged the watch in the morning and the battery, died in less than half a day because the watch is trying to move itself, some random witchcraft, whatever it is. But it's just crazy because all the touch screen function has stopped working. As you can see, it just refuses to work. Again, this is with the third time we're charging it, and after the charge, it just becomes like this. So people might wondering, oh, it's probably because the touch screen is dirty. No, we actually washed the touch screen extensively with soap, mild soap and water, and whatever is necessary to clean the screen. The screen is actually very clean, okay? So really nothing wrong with the screen. It's the watch is just died. It just, refused to work. We only had this for less than a few months after the recall. I actually did an unboxing for this a few months ago. Now I still have my own because again, with that recall, we were able to buy both of those watches at a great discount. My watch for now still works okay, but my wife's has failed. But what I noticed is, did you guys see this, the silicone seal between the polished area and the non-polished area? So the black thing is actually the silicone seal that they use to seal this part. Mine is failing as well, and this is only after a few months. I noticed that those materials starts to come out around my watch. It haven't give me any issues yet, but I'm suspecting it's gonna give me similar issue probably soon, one way or the other. But so our advice for you guys, think twice before buying a Fitbit Sense or a Fitbit Versa 3, whatever, because we also had the Versa 3 on recall because the battery was overheating. So there are a lot of issues with those watches, okay? I was hopeful that those watch would last us for as long as the Ionic, because we loved the Ionic. It never had any issue, but it had a recall, so we sent it in anyway. But look what we got. Those are unreliable watches to start with. And with this silicone seal failing, like the little black part, I don't know how long mine is gonna last, okay? So for any of you guys thinking about buying a Fitbit, maybe look at Garmin, okay? So I think the next watch that I'm gonna buy for my wife is probably gonna be a Garmin Fenix series that's slightly more reliable and offers great battery life. So that's what we're gonna look after. But I made this video because obviously we're frustrated with this product, okay? Fitbit has not delivered a reliable product since they've been bought by Google, all right? So hope you guys found this video helpful. If you're thinking about buying one, think twice. Otherwise, hit the like button or subscribe to our channel. So maybe later on we'll do another, fitness watch review, and it's probably not going to be a Fitbit. Okay, take care.